Hello guys, this video is just one of the videos where I talk about my realization of the things happening here in Thimphu. And yeah, we usually the Thimphu Thromde does a good management of waste by collecting everyday waste according to its category, dry or wet. And recently only I found out that some categories which I thought it was dry, it's not dry, and some categories which was wet, it is not wet. So and also I found out when I went to the collection center where I went to throw the waste, and they have given the categories, the waste categories, and these are the categories. You can see a dry waste, cardboard, obviously cardboard is a dry waste, paper, toothbrush, chips packet, plastic bottle, old clothes. So these are dry waste. I'm sure, I think everybody knows the category they belong to. And the things which do not belong in dry waste are chicken bones. Yes, it belongs to wet category. Sanitary pad, it doesn't belong to dry waste. Even medicines, don't put there. Broken bulbs, used batteries, it's important. Recently I think there was a garbage collector truck. It caught fire because of, I think maybe because of used batteries and all. Eggshells, I think people know the eggshells doesn't belong to dry waste. And so this is a hazardous waste, which actually I think the Thimphu Thromde is not practicing because they don't collect this hazardous waste. And in garbage collection site also they have a corner, but it seems they are not it's not open. So I'm not sure where I think people must be throwing this in. According to like medicine, they are throwing in dry waste, and like fruits and vegetables. No, I mean medicines and all, like mask and all, they are throwing in dry waste most probably. So they belong to hazardous waste actually, like all batteries, as mentioned previously, medicines, used needles, broken bulbs, baby diapers, used face mask, sanitary pads, room freshener, paints. They all belong to hazards. Only thing is that Thimphu Thromde, the truck, they don't have a particular day for this category, so I'm not sure why these are being practiced, but maybe maybe they are on process to collect this differently in separate basis. For now, it seems there is no day the garbage collector comes in. Basically, it's two categories: dry and wet. One knows vegetable peel, used tea bags. So till now, I thought it was wet, dry waste. So used tea bags in the wet waste. Bones, obviously, leftover food, yes. Eggshells, coffee filter. So this one I don't use, but still, then filters and all, not in the dry waste but in the wet waste. And like before, these hazards and all, don't throw in the wet waste. They have mentioned it clearly, like medicine, baby diapers, sanitary pads. So I'm not sure what people are practicing. I have to get more information from others, I think. So they have mentioned it clearly. Only thing is that the hazard part is the things which are hazardous. I think people has to segregate it nicely, because it can cause damages. Like one incident happened somewhere where the truck, as mentioned before, it caught fire. So we have to be careful. So they have given a nice, I think people have to, as a community, we have to be more mindful of waste. And in some countries I think there are more than 10 categories. So in the future I think we are moving towards that. So people, we have to catch up with that. We have to know what waste, how to segregate and all. And not only from our side, I think the people who work in Thromde and all, the one who manages waste should come forward and manage, and also I think policies should encourage more of it.